Hey guys, so today I want to review with you this Tweezerman blackhead removal tool. I get some clogged blackheads around this area, around my nose as well, and I don't want to be splurging the money on getting a facial every other week, so I invested on this Tweezerman tool. So it comes in a little box like this. I'm going to open it with you guys. I ordered it a couple days off of Amazon, of course, and it came super quick. So it looks like this. It has this like non-slip grip, and it has like a bigger side and a smaller side. And I really like that it's stainless steel, so I love that it's not gonna irritate my skin or that the material is like safe to use on my skin. So I'm just going to like try and clean up some of my pores. Okay. I love that it doesn't like hurt my skin. Of course, it depends on how you are going to use it. Okay, that came out really quick. Whoops. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying out this tool, but overall from like a quick point of view, I feel like it's perfect for like what I need. It's tiny, I can take it travel with me, and yeah, it's amazing and it gets the job done. So yeah, and Tweezerman is a brand that will never disappoint. So yeah, if you're looking for like to clean your skin and not go to a facial every single week and spend thousands of dollars, definitely get this and get your skin clean by yourself.